at the bus station. We're going to Taebaek. We're going to stay the night in a hotel, and then we're going to meet a family friend for a hike on a mountain. So we're really excited, and we're going to have a great time. Currently lost, trying to find the inner city bus terminal. We just got off our first train, and then this next bus will be on for 3 hours. But we can't figure out what time the bus leaves. I think we need to buy tickets for it, but
everything's in Korean, so
yeah, not many speak English, so we're struggling, but we're trying.
All right, so update. We just went to the bus terminal, and it was kind of difficult because the person did not speak English, and we don't know any Korean. So luckily, there's a guy here that kind of understood what was going on and helped us out, and got us tickets to the next train station to hop from there to go all the way to Taebaek. The bus leaves in 2.5 hours, so we'll get to Taebaek at like 2 a.m., but at least we made it. So yeah, that's where we're at right now.
So we made it to Seoul. We just bought our tickets at the kiosk behind us. We were a little worried there wouldn't be seats, but there's plenty of seats, so we'll leave in about 30 minutes. We're gonna grab something to eat and we'll be on our way.
All right, after the first bus stop, we went by a Subway, and of course, again, we don't speak Korean at all, so we had to try to translate everything into Korean, and thankfully, there's a guy that spoke half English and Korean, so he was able to help us and talk to the cashier and help us.
Yeah, he helped us order our food and tell what toppings we wanted. It was really sweet. So then we ate our dinner really quick at the bus station, and then we just got off our bus ride. It was like 3 hours. But we made it in like 2.5
yeah, right,
because everyone drives really fast here. But we made it. We're gonna go to our hotel and we're gonna go see our friend. Woo! Here's our hotel. Look how cute it is with all the lights. Okay, so we're in our room. Intern. It's really cute. It was kind of funny when we were downstairs. The lady was checking us in, and our friend was speaking Korean to like get us a room, and she said that we would be charged per person for the room, about $50, which we thought was odd. And we're like, that's fine. And then she gave Cloud 2 separate room keys because she didn't realize we were married. So that was kind of comical, but she like voided it and like fixed it because our friend was like, they're married, they're together. So it was cute, very funny. The room's great. We're gonna get some good sleep and we're gonna go on a beautiful hike tomorrow. Good morning. So our friend gave us these oatmeal bottles. You add milk to them and like let them sit, and it smells kind of funny, but it's actually really good, better than I was expecting. So here's breakfast. So once we got to the top of the mountain, it was very cloudy and we couldn't see any other mountains around us. We were just looking into a cloudy abyss. It was very chilly and windy. I think it was about 54 degrees. But we were super glad we made it to the top. Even though everything was cloudy, we still had a really great time. He's not having it.
Oh, that's great. Stop following me.
Panic! Part 2 will be the coal mining museum we visited and the goat cafe. But thank you for watching!